how you can enroll in this domain certificate, we will discuss that also in this presentation. And in this certification course, there are more than one course which is provided to you. So that is why it is called a domain certificate. In domain certificate, the branches are like artificial intelligence, in which you have to pursue the introduction to AI, artificial intelligence with deep learning, and some other courses. To complete this domain, there are 4 to 5 separate courses which are included in this bundle. So if you do a single domain certification from NPTEL, that recognizes you for an able candidate to get placed in a reputed company, in a reputed organization. So by this means you earn this certificate. With your knowledge, you enhance your knowledge and you get a placement opportunity in the major companies and the major best companies which are working in this field. So if you want to choose your career in programming, then go for a domain certificate in programming. If you want to choose your career in electrical engineering, for example in VLSI design, then go for a domain certificate of VLSI design. And in this VLSI design module, you will have to cover 4 to 5 different courses which are which conclude or which include the knowledge of VLSI design, and they will make an expert. They will make you expert of this field. For example, in mechanical engineering, we have product design domain certificate, manufacturing process domain certificate, and in this module, you have to do your 4 or 5 courses related to manufacturing process. Then you can prove yourself in the front of interviewer or in the panel of the company that you have earned this certificate from NPTEL, which is a recognized institution, recognized platform by MHRD, and you can pursue your career in this field. So NPTEL is also having industry associate program, which includes CSIR support, CSR support, co-offered courses from the industry trainers, and internship, placement, recruitment from NPTEL proppers, etc. features from this system. So we currently have 43 industry partners such as TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Birla, and other partners for recruitment, for training purposes, for direct recruitments and training. These all are industry partners, allow students to join and their industries, their companies, and pursue their career in that. We have 3 CSR partners. CSR is a kind of funding which is provided by the companies to the students who want to pursue their career, who want to pursue their learning through NPTEL. The fees is reduced for those students who apply through proper channel. The examination fees is currently 1000 rupees, and if you apply for CSIR funding, then you can avail a fee waiver of around 500 rupees. So more than 1,12,000 students have received this funding for fee waiver support. Next, we have some websites which are onlinecourses.nptel.ac.in and nptel.ac.in, which are for these purposes. I will also show you the website, but before that, note down these timings, note down the schedule for the exam registrations and for beginning of the course. So we have the start of 4-week course from January 18, 8 weeks and 12-week course from January 18, and few courses that are of 4-week and 8-week that are in that will start in phase 2 will start from February 15. So end of the course will be on 12th of February for the 4-week or 8-week or 12-week courses. There are different date of end of course as these are of different duration. Few courses will end in February 12, few courses will end on March 12, and few courses will end on April 9. And after that, we have examination for these courses which will end after March 12. We will have the exam on March 21 in two different time slots. That is from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, and that is from second session is on 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So remember these exam dates also. Why we are having this NPTEL awareness program today? Because the ending of this enrollment of these courses are approaching. We have to enroll before 1st of February. The extended date for enrollment is 1st of February till 5 p.m. and we have to enroll before that. A few courses which are going to start in the Feb, you can enroll later till 15th February. So why you have to enroll, why you can enroll to enhance your knowledge? There are some courses which I am sharing with you here. This is the list of courses being offered in the computer science, being offered in electrical engineering, being offered in electronics engineering, and there are many more. I will show you the complete list also here. As you can see on this page, I will, I guess, okay, yes, I will share my screen again so that you can all see the different courses which are being offered. Here are the courses. List of courses is vast. List of courses is wide. You can enroll these courses before 1st of February. These are the courses. As you can see, we have aerospace engineering, we have biotechnology and bioengineering, we have chemical engineering, we have courses of chemistry, we have courses of civil engineering, we have courses of earth science and computer science and engineering, we have courses of electrical and electronics engineering, design engineering, architectural engineering, and we have electrical and electronics engineering courses with us. Electrical engineering courses are being offered. This list can be retrieved or you can request for the list of the complete courses, and you can also visit the NPTEL portal to get this list. Management courses are being offered through NPTEL. Mathematics courses are being offered. Mechanical engineering courses are being offered through NPTEL, and there are many more metallurgical and material engineering courses are being offered, and some courses which are multidisciplinary are also offered in this portal. So we will now take a look at the some process of enrollment, that is how to enroll. You have to go to swam.gov.in website, sign in with your Gmail ID, choose a course and enroll for a course for start learning. Why you should enroll, I will discuss these all points, but before that I will show you the enrollment procedure, that is how you can enroll in this portal. So let's go to the SWAYAM portal. Here is the, as you can see, I will check. Yes, you all can see this SWAYAM portal you have. And in this SWAYAM portal, you have to sign in or register for the first time. If you have not already registered, then you can register here, sign in on register button, click on this button, it will take you to this page, and now you can choose your account login. You can use Microsoft login, Google or Facebook login to start joining this session. You can log in with your Google account. You can log in with your Google account here, as you can see, I have already registered for this portal, so I can log in this. Now what you have to do after logging in and after registering for the SWAYAM, go to the course catalog. Go to the course catalog drop down menu. In this you can see there are engineering and technology courses. I will repeat it again. Go to the course catalog drop down menu, and in this choose engineering and technology subdomain. Click on this.
आज दूसरे दिन का चौथा मार्च यहाँ पर होने जा रहा है। चंद लम्हों पश्चात कदमा और चौरी।
Okay, no problem. There was some disturbance. So when you log in with your Gmail account, go to the course catalog option and choose engineering and technology. Click on the branch if you want. Otherwise, you can click on all. This will show you the courses which are registered under engineering and technology. Now you have to choose here national coordinator as NPTEL, and it will show you the upcoming courses which are being offered through NPTEL. Here are the courses which are being offered by NPTEL and other in all the fields. You can choose any course, you can choose any program which is being offered through this portal, and you can register for it. How you can register? Just go to a course which you want to register, which you want to enroll. For example, we are going to enroll a course of advanced thermodynamics, say. For example, we want to enroll this course. Just click on the course. Now you can see a join button in the right hand side. Click on this join button to enroll for the course. Now here you can see that all the details will be automatically fetched from the system, and you just have to check these details one by one and ensure that all the details are correct. If some details are missing or some details are not correct, then you can edit your profile and then click on the join. You have to agree with the terms of SWAYAM and then you can join the course. When you click the join course button here in the page, you will receive an email side by side, and you will go to this, you will be taken to this platform which is from NPTEL. Here you can see the course outline and the topics which have been covered till date, and you can see about the course, and you can see the various other features which are there in this portal. You can ask a question if you want. You can see your progress in this course by yourself, how many assignments you have submitted, how many courses, how many topics you have covered. You can see here, and you can also choose your mentor for any course. What mentor is? A mentor is a local coordinator of your course, and he provides you with the suggestions, he provides you with the solutions of the problems which you face. For choosing a mentor, a faculty member has to enroll for the same course. And from the SPOC login, we will choose a mentor to provide you support for this. So this was the enrollment procedure. Now we will go to the NPTEL homepage, and we will take a look about how to register for the exam. These are the notifications. These are the recent updates from the NPTEL. Go to this portal, nptel.ac.in. You will be taken to this home page. On this, you can check the latest updates and latest announcements. Exam registration form is open. Click here. So you can you have to register for the exam if you want to give exam of this go to your personal info. You want to check here for the details, and you can go to the courses which you have enrolled to go for the exam registration process. Save and continue. Go to the courses, and then you can select the city and then review and finish for the exam form. In this portal, you can also check your results of previous semester, that is from January to April. You can check your results here, and you can see the list of courses with the exam dates also on this portal. So note down this website. I will be sharing your the presentation also with you, and note down this website nptel.ac.in, in which you can see the list of courses, exam dates, and list of courses with exam dates. Timelines and guidelines you can also see here. Next, one more thing I want to share with you is the NPTEL Stars scheme. This is a new scheme, new feature of NPTEL, in which NPTEL provides domain certificates and Superstar certificate, NPTEL enthusiast certificates, NPTEL motivated learners, and discipline stars and NPTEL believers, etc. certificates for additional appreciation of yourself of the students who appear for more than 4 exams in a semester. The NPTEL Superstar certificate is for those students who appeared in 4, 5 or 6 exams and are topper in at least 3 exams. So they will receive an additional certificate of NPTEL Superstars. Similarly, many other criteria are being made in this NPTEL Star scheme, and in this you can register and earn additional certificate to prove your efficiency and your learning. We have internship, and we also organize NPTEL workshop for awareness. There are some faculty initiatives for supporting the faculty members also. Some funding is also provided through CSR. Some industry related trainings are being carried on this portal, which you can go for this link. And some courses are being supported with the GATE preparation material, which you can access through this link. So this is all about the NPTEL portal. I will go back to the SWAYAM portal once again to show you the login procedure, as some of the students have joined in the late, and I will show you the enrollment procedure again. Just go to the SWAYAM portal, log in the portal and choose drop down menu from course catalog. From course catalog, choose engineering and technology, go to all courses, and it will show you the all courses which are being offered on the SWAYAM portal. You can choose the coordinator, national coordinator, that is NPTEL, from this first drop down menu, and you can now choose the various courses. Among the various courses, you can choose the course which you want to register. Every field in engineering is being covered in this NPTEL portal, and you can choose the course whichever you want. For example, we have this computer architecture course which is being offered in this semester. You can go to the course by clicking on the banner of computer architecture course, then click on the join button to join. It will take you to your profile. Check your profile once again, is every information is correct or not. Then click on the agree terms and conditions and click on review and join course button. When you click on this button, you will receive an email for confirming your enrollment in this course, and it will take you to the course page. For this course, you will receive announcements on this home page. You can ask the expert, or you can ask the teacher about any topic or any problem in Ask a Question tab, and you can see your progress in the Progress tab, and you can select your mentor in the Mentor tab. So this is all If you have any query, I will be enabling I will stop sharing my screen first, and I will allow you to unmute yourself so that you can ask your questions. If you have any question, you can ask your questions by unmuting yourself, or you can ask in the chat. Voice is not clear. I guess my voice is clear to others. We have to log in. Yes, you have to log in with your Gmail account. You can log in with your personal email ID, or you can log in with your GKV ID. Both IDs are accepted.
Sir, how can be this beneficial for first
And
year?
any other question you can write in the chat. Any other question which you have? One more thing, you have to choose. I will take you to the portal again and I will check with the courses. You have to choose the local chapter also, which you will see in the when you enroll for a course, then you will see the I will share my screen again. I will show you the I will share my screen again one more time.
Sir, how can this beneficial for first year student?
And in this profile page, you can see that what you have to choose here, you have to choose the part of a SWAYAM local chapter. I will zoom in on this page to show you more clearly. Are you a part of SWAYAM local chapter? In this, you have to say yes. In this, you have to say yes. And from a local chapter, you can choose your, you can see the local chapter details here in the local chapter button. On this page, you will be taken to this. I will show you again. And is your local chapter is listed on this list or not? You can check from this link. And when you choose, you can choose the state as Uttarakhand and college name as Gurukul Gandhi Vishwavidyalaya Haridwar. The local chapter is being active since 2017, and you can now enroll and avail the facilities of the local chapter from this enroll. Now I will stop sharing again. If you have any question, then you can ask. Please share important link here. Yes, I will share. We are not talking about the courses, what to choose. That you can choose which courses are being offered in your semesters. That same courses you can choose from the NPTEL platform. How to access e-library? That is a very nice question. I will also share the e-content of NPTEL with you, and I will also mail you the how can be beneficial for first year student. First year students have a lot of time till fourth year, and they can easily cover a one domain certificate in these 4 years. You can enroll from first year, first semester, start with your domain expertise with a simple course, and then you can move on with enrolling new courses. How we can enroll, that is I already explained many times. I will share a video also to enroll in NPTEL, and I hope you have understood it very well. Now I will share the feedback form with you so that you can submit your email IDs and your details with me, and I will be sharing a feedback form. By filling that feedback form, you can get your certificates for this workshop. If there is any other question, then you can write in the chat.
सारे क्लासेस तो फ्री हैं सर.
How you can log in with phone? Yes, you can log in with your phone also. Sir, there is no mentor available for electrical branch. While opting a CSE subject, you are available there as mentor. Very good. You can request your subject teacher to be the mentor. Email ID and name share with you. Yes. What is the benefit of this course? First of all, you will get a detailed knowledge of the subject. You can earn a domain certificate to ensure your placement, to enhance the chances of your placements in the reputed companies which are working in your field. So here is the feedback form. Fill this feedback form to receive the certificate. I am sharing the feedback form in the chat. Fill this feedback form to get your certificates. Sir, please tell something about courses which are other than NPTEL like CEC or ACT. These all courses are being offered through SWAYAM portal. You can enroll in any type of courses, but as we are having a local chapter of NPTEL and I being the SPOC of this NPTEL local chapter, I can help you take a look at your progress in the NPTEL portal only. For CEC and AICT portals and for CEC and AICT or UGC courses, you have to take a progress report and you have to understand the procedure of the enrollment procedure is same, but you can track your progress by yourself only. Sir, what will I do if I have to enroll in two courses, but the exam date of both courses are on the same? Then you can choose from any one courses to take the exam for, and other course you can just enroll and to learn you can pursue that course. But for the exam duration, as I can see in the last semesters, we have exams of more than 20 subjects on one time. So there is less chance of clashing these courses. So you can choose two different dates to take exam of two different courses, and if you want to give exam of one course, that is also available, that is also can be done. Schedule of exam I have already showed you in the presentation itself. Go to the NPTEL portal for the schedule of exam. Can we start from second semester? Yes, you can start from second semester also. You can start from this semester also. You can start from any semester. But it is good to start from today only, as the ending of this enrollment is approaching soon. From 1st of February, these courses will not be available in the portal and these courses will close. So you will not be able to register for these courses. Just you have to fill the feedback form, Ansh Yadav, to receive your e-certificate for today's workshop. Is there anybody in our college to guide us for the gate? And yes, your teachers, your subject teachers are also always available. Your subject teachers are always available with you to prepare you for the gate and other entrance exams which you can pursue, which you can take for higher education, which you can take for PSUs. Your subject teachers are always there. Semester exam schedule I will share in the group itself. You want to join other branch course? Yes, you can. You can join any course of your interest.
Hello.
But I suggest you to join those courses which are being offered in your current semester, so that you can get a diverse and you can get a great knowledge of that subject. All courses are free. Yes, all courses are free. But if you want to earn a certificate, then you have to pay a little fees of rupees 1000 only. And for that also, I want to draw your attention to the fee waiver program of NPTEL. through CSR fund, that you can avail a fee waiver of 500 rupees by filling a form which I will be mailing to the registered candidates only at a certain time in the starting of March. I will be sharing that form with you. You can fill that form to avail a fee waiver of rupees 500. Yes, for UPSC preparation, you can get a help in this portal. You can enroll for the subjects which are being asked in the exam. You can go for those courses. You can get a certificate for those courses. Yes. Yes, ask your question again, Siddharth Sharma. It means if we enroll before when Feb, all courses are free? No. Enrollment date ending in 1 February is for those courses which are being offered from January. Some courses which are being offered in the Feb will be open till 15th of February. And you can enroll in every course as free, and you can access the content, you can read the assignments, and you can access the online videos also in the free account, but you have to pay the fee for the exam. If you want to pursue for the exam, then you have to pay a fee. When to submit a fee, that is also being given in the timeline. I will share again. If you want to see the timeline, I will share again.
सर ये सब सारे कोर्स फ्री में होगा सर?
आवाज थोड़ा कम आ रही है, जोर से बोलो।
सर ये सारा कोर्स फ्री में होगा सर?
हाँ, कोर्स फ्री में होगा, एग्जाम पेड है। एग्जाम देना है अगर आपको, तो आपको 1000 रुपीज पे करने होंगे।
सर एग्जाम कैसे देंगे इसका?
एग्जाम कब होगा?
हाँ सर, फॉर्म कैसे फिल करेंगे?
हाँ, एग्जाम की ये देखिए डेट मैंने टाइमलाइन शेयर किया है, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं। जो कोर्स
ऑनलाइन
हुए थे, ऑनलाइन एग्जाम नहीं होगा, इसका ऑफलाइन एग्जाम होता है हमेशा सेंटर पर। यू हैव टू चूज द सिटी एंड द सेंटर। ड्यू टू दिस कोरोना सिचुएशन फ्रॉम द लास्ट सेमेस्टर ऑनवर्ड्स, दिस ऑफलाइन एग्जाम वाज नॉट कंडक्टेड, but from this semester they have announced that they will conduct an offline exam on the dates which I have mentioned here, that is of 21st March and April 24 and 25. The courses which are starting from January 18 will end on 4-week course will end on February 12, and you can appear for the exam of this course on 21 March. For those courses which will start on February 15, you can appear for the exam in April 24 or 25. But the last date to enroll for these courses is 1 February. And for those courses which are going to start from 15 February, the last date for enrollment is 15 February.
सर हाउ आई कैन एनरोल?
Yes?
कैसे इसमें एनरोल कर सकते हैं हम?
हाँ, एनरोल अभी कर दीजिए। एग्जाम रजिस्ट्रेशन आप बाद में भी कर सकते हैं। ओपन एग्जाम रजिस्ट्रेशन हुआ है 7 जनवरी से, जो 8 ऑफ फरवरी तक ओपन है।
सर एनरोल कैसे करेंगे?
एनरोल करने का प्रोसेस मैंने आपको अभी बताया, आपको मैं दोबारा से बता देता हूँ। अभी मैं कई बार बता चुका हूँ, 2-3 बार मैं बता चुका हूँ, फिर से मैं एक बार और बता देता हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
एग्जाम फॉर्म कैसे भरें?
एग्जाम फॉर्म भरने के लिए भी मैं बता देता हूँ आपको अभी, रुकिए। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गो टू दिस portal, that is swayam.gov.in. Note down this website, swayam.gov.in, swayam.gov.in. I will sign out again here. So go to this portal, swayam.gov.in. Click on this button, sign in on register. It will take you the sign in page. Choose the Google ID to sign in. I have chosen my ID here. It will take you to the portal. Now when you log in, you can see here there is a course catalog. Click on this course catalog, click on engineering and technology courses. If you want to choose engineering and technology courses, then you can click here and click on all. So it will show you the list of all the courses which are being offered in engineering and technology field. You can choose from other courses which are being offered by choosing all category. Now in this view, you can choose national coordinators, which are 9 national coordinators for school education, for engineering education, for medical education, for business education. There are different kinds of coordinators. So you have to choose here NPTEL for technical education. For engineering courses, you have to choose the coordinator as NPTEL. Now you can choose the courses which are being offered by NPTEL from these courses. If you want to apply for any course, go to that course, click on that course, and you have to enroll for that. How you can enroll? Just click on any course you want to choose. For example, I want to enroll for this course, Cloud Computing and Distributed System. Click on this course. It will take you to the course page. Now when you go to this course page, there is a button that is join button here on the right hand side. Click on this join button. It will take you to the registration page of this course. Check the profile here, which is already filled in during the registration process. Choose part of a SWAYAM local chapter as yes. Select state as Uttarakhand. Choose school or college name as Gurukul Kangdi Vishwavidyalaya, Haridwar. We have a local chapter of NPTEL here in our university, so you can choose that from this drop down list. Now agree for the SWAYAM terms and review and join course by clicking on this button, review and join course. When you click on this course, you will be
yes or no?
क्या पार्ट ऑफ अ लोकल चैप्टर में यस करना है, यस करना है, बिकॉज वी आर ए लोकल चैप्टर हियर इन दिस इंस्टीट्यूट. Click on the join course and it will take you to the course page. Click on the join course and it will take you to the course page. Now you can see the contents of the course offered. You can see the videos, introduction video. You can see the quiz assignment is also shared in the course page. Here you can attend the quiz assignment. Here are some questions you have to answer this, and here is the due date. Before that you have to answer. As the due date of this course is already, of this assignment is already passed, still you can submit, you can get it evaluated. Ask a question from the expert or the teacher. You can click on the ask on the question. You can see your progress in the progress tab, and you can choose a mentor of this course from the mentor tab. So that's all. I will stop sharing again. I will look at the questions if you have any. Domicile. Yes, yes.
Sunil from mechanical department, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. बताइए सर.
सुरेश सर, मैंने अभी रिसेंटली कोर्स क्वालिफाई किया इसका NPTEL का सर, तो उसका ई सर्टिफिकेट तो आ गया सर, फिजिकल सर्टिफिकेट आएगा?
नहीं सर, फिजिकल सर्टिफिकेट अब NPTEL नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. पहले वो 11 चार्ज करता था एग्जाम के लिए, जिसमें से 100 रुपए था, 100 रुपीज था वो सर्टिफिकेट का चार्ज था. अब वो फिजिकल सर्टिफिकेट नहीं दे रहा है. You can get your certificate printed with the e-copy which you have received.
Yes sir. यही पूछना. Thank you.
Okay sir. Okay sir. Any other question if you have, you can ask with me. You have my email ID. I will also share my email ID in the chat. It is also available on the DKV website. You can go to the SWAYAM page of GKV website. Deepak ji, I request you to share the Swayam page of GKV website.
सर उसमें जो रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है सर वो
भरा गया है।
सर रजिस्ट्रेशन वाला लिंक शेयर कर दीजिए ना सर ईमेल आईडी पे।
ये सर रजिस्ट्रेशन का लिंक शेयर कर दीजिए डायरेक्ट।
Registration is through Swayam portal. The form link which I have shared here is for the certificate which you can receive by attending this workshop. Fill that form to receive the e-certificate for attending this today's workshop.
सर टुडेज वर्कशॉप का सर्टिफिकेट कब आएगा सर?
उसका सर्टिफिकेट आपकी ईमेल पे साथ के साथ भेजा जा रहा है। आप फॉर्म भरिए, आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाए।
ईमेल आईडी सर कौन सी यूज करनी है सर? जीकेवी या फिर अपने पास?
any email you can use, any email you can use.
सर वहाँ फॉर्म में जो
ईयर ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन
सर वो अपने होम स्टेट लिखना
What?
है, उत्तराखंड लिखना है सर।
What? दोबारा
हाईएस्ट
पूछिए।
क्वालिफिकेशन
हाईएस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन आप इंटरमीडिएट लिखेंगे, अभी 12th लिखेंगे।
ईयर ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन को ब्लैंक।
ईयर ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन को आप लिखेंगे जैसे आप अभी 2021 में एनरोल किया है तो +4 कर लीजिए, ईयर ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन हो जाएगा आपका।
सर वो उत्तराखंड तो वहाँ पे
होता है जिस ईयर में आप पास करेंगे अपना ग्रेजुएशन कोर्स, वो ईयर ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन होता है।
सर वहाँ पे जो गुरुकुल का लिखा हुआ था वहाँ पे अपने स्टेट लिखना है या उत्तराखंड?
उत्तराखंड चूज करना है, जहां पर आप लोकल चैप्टर चूज करेंगे वहां पर।
होम स्टेट सर नहीं ना लिखना है?
जहां पर आपको स्टेट चूज करना है लोकल चैप्टर के लिए, वहां पर आपको उत्तराखंड चूज करना है और इंस्टीट्यूट में गुरुकुल कांगड़ी चूज करना है।
यस सर।
E-library, we can access the e-library of NPTEL through NPTEL portal. I will show you here NPTEL resources. I will share my screen again.
सर इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांच वाले भी ये कर सकते हैं सर?
Yes, इलेक्ट्रिकल वाले भी कर सकते हैं कोर्सेज। इलेक्ट्रिकल के लिए बहुत सारे कोर्सेज हैं। Go to this website nptel.ac.in, click on the resources tab, and here you can find the live sessions and special lectures of the special topics, other topics which are outer than the course, outside the course, you can access from the resources tab. Here are some documents which you can download from the resources tab. I will show you the e-resources. Here are the e-library or e-resources or the books based on NPTEL courses. This is what you are. आप जो भी पूछ रहे हैं तो चैट में लिखिए प्लीज, जिससे मैं आंसर कर सकूं आप लोगों को। मुझे एक क्वेश्चन आया है कि ई लाइब्रेरी को कैसे एक्सेस करेंगे, वही मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ। nptel.ac.in पर जाएं, दोबारा से दिखाता हूँ। रिसोर्सेज पर जाएं और डॉक्यूमेंट्स पर क्लिक करें। डॉक्यूमेंट्स पर क्लिक करने पर आपको बहुत सारे अलग टाइप के डॉक्यूमेंट्स यहाँ पर दिख रहे हैं, जिसमें आपका ट्रांसक्रिप्ट्स भी हैं जो रीजनल लैंग्वेज में अवेलेबल हैं, उनमें भी आप देख सकते हैं। फिर एक लिंक है यहाँ पर सबसे ऊपर जो है बुक्स बेस्ड ऑन NPTEL कोर्सेज। इन दिस टैब, इन दिस link, you can get the books which are being authored by the professors of IITs and which are related to the subjects which you are going to study in your semesters. इनको आप क्लिक करिए, इनका वीडियो भी देख सकते हैं, इनका कंटेंट डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हैं, इनको आप एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, तो ये बुक फॉर्म में भी आपको मिल जाएंगे। ट्रांसक्रिप्ट जो हैं, ट्रांसक्रिप्ट जो मैंने आपको बताए अभी, वो ट्रांसक्रिप्ट उन लोगों के लिए हैं जो पढ़ना चाहते हैं कोर्स के कंटेंट। nptel.ac.in खोलिए, खुल जाएगा।
साइट कैन नॉट बी रीच्ड।
nptel.ac.in।
यस सर, यही खोला है।
अब साइट का नॉट विजिट लिख रहा है।
साइट मैंने अभी पेस्ट किया है चैट में, आप विजिट कर सकते हैं। nptel.ac.in पर विजिट करिए एंड क्लिक ऑन द different tabs you want to see. ICT टेक्स्ट ट्रांसक्रिप्शन प्रोजेक्ट के अंडर आपको कुछ जो लेक्चर्स हैं जो इंग्लिश में हैं उन्हें आप समझने में अगर दिक्कत आ रही है, कुछ रीजनल स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो इंग्लिश में इजीली नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं, तो वो हिंदी में भी उसकी स्क्रिप्ट को व्यू कर सकते हैं। टेक्स्ट की स्क्रिप्ट को हिंदी में भी व्यू कर सकते हैं इस टैब के थ्रू। ये उसका प्रोजेक्ट है and you can see the test transcripts in your regional language. Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, other languages are being offered. सर्टिफिकेट कैसे मिलेगा? कौन सा सर्टिफिकेट बेटा? आयुष पांडे, कौन सा सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए बताओ? आज वाला सर्टिफिकेट इस फॉर्म को भरने पर मिलेगा। आई विल शेयर द लिंक अगेन विच आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड इन द चैट। चैट में मैं पहले ही शेयर कर चुका हूं, आप उसी फॉर्म को भरिए और आज के वर्कशॉप सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा। So I guess this was a nice session joining with you.
सर कॉलेज और स्कूल रोल नंबर में रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर लिखेंगे कि नया वाला रोल नंबर जो मिला है वो लिखेंगे?
एनरोलमेंट नंबर लिखिए। एनरोलमेंट नंबर आपका यूनिक होता है, वही लिखिए।
ये 9 डिजिट वाला है सर जो?
हाँ जी, हाँ।
डोमेन सर्टिफिकेट कैसे मिलती है सर?
फॉर्म शेयर किया है, फॉर्म पर क्लिक करिए, उसको भरिए और फिर आप सर्टिफिकेट ले पाएंगे आज की वर्कशॉप का। All the participants to fill the form and get your certificate for today's workshop. In your email ID, you will receive your certificates side by side. If there is any other question, you can drop me a mail in my email ID.
Domain certificate.
Domain certificate is a club or is a combination or is a collection of some certificates, 4 or 5 certificates, which you can earn through your semester with your semesters, and you can start enrolling for the courses. Yes, done. Ayush, done. Very good. कैसे रजिस्टर करेंगे ये मैं बता चुका हूं काफी देर पहले, तीसरी बार चौथी बार भी बता चुका हूं। So I will share the recording of this video so you all can see and you all can register. Now I will end this session here as we have some other meetings going on from 3 p.m. Other sessions are also going on from 3 p.m. Electrical branch, yes, there is benefit for you also, electrical branch. Share the session. Yes, I will share the session with you. I will share the video of this session with you. So thank you all.
Sir, on our email ID.
I will invite Deepak ji to. Deepak ji, I invite you to give a formal vote of thanks in the end.
Hello. Hello.
Turn on your camera if you are able to.
Sir, this recording will share on our email ID.
Deepak ji.
Hello.
Hello.
हाँ दीपक जी, can you turn on your camera? Yes. So we have Deepak ji with us. I invite Deepak ji to present formal vote of thanks.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible. Yes, you are audible.
Thanks a lot, sir, for inviting me to give a vote of thanks. And it's a nice and very informative session presented by you.
on NPTEL SWAYAM portal, and I think every student got the glimpse of the NPTEL SWAYAM portal and the courses and how to enroll the courses and how to get certified from the IIT, different IITs available in the SWAYAM portal. And definitely this will benefit the students and their career in the future. And I think it was a very interesting session, as I learned, as I myself learned lot of information from your presentation, and I really thank to Dr. Shreyas Bhardwaj sir for giving this nice presentation on this SWAYAM and NPTEL portal and courses. Thank you very much, sir, for your precious time and for your information sharing. Thanks a lot again.
Okay, thank you all. Thank you, students. We will now end this session here. If you have some other question, then you can drop your email